I never won. The day you started performing instead of living. Have you ever looked back and realised there was no single day you stopped being yourself? No dramatic collapse, no public failure, just countless small moments where you slowly became the version of yourself everyone else seemed to reward. It often begins with something that feels harmless. You discover which options receive approval, which emotions make people uncomfortable, which parts of your personality attract criticism. Without noticing, you begin making adjustments, not because you're dishonest, because you want life to become easier. Eventually, performance becomes so normal that authenticity starts feeling dangerous. The tragedy is not that other people fail to know you. It is that you gradually lose access to yourself. Children naturally seek acceptance. Adults rarely stop. The only thing that changes is the audience. Family, friends, church, employers, communities, social media. And every environment quietly teaches which version of you deserves applause. At first, the compromises appear insignificant. You laugh when you do not find something funny. You stay silent when your conscience wants to speak. You apologize for convictions you once held with confidence. And each decision feels temporary, yet together they construct a second identity. The identity slowly becomes more successful than the real person beneath it. Outwardly, life may even improve. People compliment your attitude, opportunities increase, conflict decreases, but internally another reality develops. Conversations become exhausting because every word must be managed. Relationships become fragile because they are connected to the performance rather than the person. Success no longer feels satisfying because it belongs to the mask. And the catastrophe is deeply personal. You begin forgetting what generally excites you. You cannot distinguish your own beliefs from those you adopt to survive. Prayer becomes quieter. Joy becomes rarer. Rest becomes unfamiliar. And one day you realize the greatest defeat was never losing to other people. It was slowly disappearing beneath the person everyone else preferred. And the most devastating performance is the one that eventually convinces the performer that the mask is the real face.